How to install Google Classroom on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Google Classroom on PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser. And now here, once you're inside the web browser, what you can do is you can just click on the search bar at the top and you can simply type in Google Classroom. So here simply type in Google Classroom and search for it. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to the Google Classroom. So with that, here is the thing. So there is no Google Classroom app for Windows. So here to make a Google Classroom app, what you can do is you can just create a shortcut for this website. So to do that, you can just click on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, you can just click on this option that says cast, save and share. And now here from the new pop-up, just click on install Google Classroom. And after that on the pop-up menu, just click on install. And once you do that, the installation will begin. And here, as you can see, the Google Classroom has been downloaded on the PC. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.